How to enlarge YouTube video screen on TV. If a YouTube video appears smaller or doesn't fill the entire screen on your TV, follow these steps to enlarge it. Step 1. Adjust YouTube player settings. Play the video. Open the YouTube app on your TV and play the desired video. Access the player options. Press the up button on your remote to reveal video settings. Select full screen. Choose the full screen icon, usually a square with arrows pointing outward. The video should now expand to fill the screen. Step 2. Change TV aspect ratio. Open TV settings. Press the menu or settings button on your TV remote. Find picture settings. Navigate to picture aspect ratio or screen size. Set to fit the screen. Select 16:9, just scan, or fit to screen depending on your TV model to make the video fill the screen. Disable overscan. If your TV has an overscan option, ensure it is turned off for optimal viewing. Step 3. Use zoom options on the YouTube app. Pause the video. While the video is playing, pause it. Zoom the video. Some TVs or devices offer a zoom option in the video settings. Use this to enlarge the video if the app supports it. Step 4. Adjust casting settings. If casting from another device. Ensure correct screen settings. On your phone or laptop, make sure the video is set to play in full screen before casting to the TV. Use full screen mode. Enable full screen mode on the casting device to ensure the video fills the TV screen. Step 5. Update YouTube app and TV firmware. Update YouTube app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store on your smart TV and check for updates to the YouTube app. Update TV firmware. Go to Settings Support Software Update on your TV and ensure your firmware is up to date. By following these steps, you can enlarge YouTube videos to fill the entire screen on your TV, ensuring an optimal viewing experience.